Knowing what to do with your future is a difficult decision, but it isn't impossible. Whether you're exploring options for after high school, transitioning into civilian life, or advancing your existing skills, take a look at manufacturing. In the state of Idaho, starting wages in manufacturing are 40% higher than other industries. In fact, manufacturing has seen sustained growth since 2016, and is projected to continue growing. Don't limit yourself. A job in manufacturing offers a healthy paycheck, great benefits, and countless possibilities to reach your personal and professional goals. Let's take a look at a couple of career paths at Treasure Valley manufacturer Western Trailers. They're a leader in producing high-grade, lightweight, American-made trailers found all over the country. There are several key departments that are looking for you. In the office, there's a dedicated team of AutoCAD drafters designing for custom trailer orders. On our production floor, there are a number of skilled jobs, from welding to riveting to wiring. You could be working alongside seasoned veterans on the assembly line that have been with the company for upwards of 25 years. This solid piece of equipment has been in service since the 1960s in a Detroit auto factory and has been refitted to continue proud service. Each of these machines needs a dedicated team of industrial mechanics. Your problem-solving skills will come in handy getting to know each machine with personalities of their own. In the shop, skilled machinists craft all the precision parts for well-made, sturdy trailers. Your attention to detail will help make each custom piece perfect. Attentive CNC operators guide large machines cutting, drilling, and crafting large pieces of metal. The warehouse technicians ensure that every stage in production has all the pieces they need to finish a custom trailer. Welders craft strong, elegant welds that make these trailers the best in the West. Many manufacturers offer great benefits packages to their employees. As a part of the Western Trailer family, you would have access to the company clinic, providing free medical care for employees and their families. You'll have a 401k, great benefits, and assurance that your safety is the highest priority. Today, jobs in manufacturing are not like what they used to be. Western Trailers and companies like them have made it a priority to thoroughly understand the balance between hard work, safety, and quality to create a world-class work environment. Consider a career in manufacturing and start your future today by visiting forgingfuturesidaho.org. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.